This is Marvin GILIG. Hi, today let's talk about the humble beginnings of the famous Northern Mindanao Medical Center. Going back, NMMC can be traced to a wood and nipa structure in Carmen in what was then known as the district of Cagayan de MISAMIS 100 years ago. This building was actually a public schoolhouse, which by necessity was converted into an emergency hospital during a cholera outbreak. At the present, it is situated in an 11,000 square meter area within the provincial capital compound. It serves not only patients from Cagayan de Oro and Misamis Oriental, where it is located, but also receives patients from nearby provinces of Bukidnon, Camiguin, Misamis Occidental, Lanao del Norte, Zamboanga del Norte, and Agusan provinces. Knowing a bit of history is an addition to our knowledge. This is Marvin GILIG, and that's 60 seconds. See you next week.